Good morning, dear children. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your place and you all have enjoyed the weekend. Yes? Okay. So, let's start the maths class. First of all, bring out your notebooks quickly and write the date and day on your notebooks. The date is 10/5/2021 and day is Monday. 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 Then write कर ली सबने? Very good. Okay, so today's topic is revision of chapter 1 again. Okay. In our last class, we have done a few topics from chapter 1 and today we will revise the next topics. Okay. Okay, so first topic of today is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers means two numbers में से greater and smaller को find करना. ओके और कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स के साइन कौन से होते हैं? रिमेम्बर? चलो नोटबुक्स पे राइट करना है आपने. COMPARING comparing numbers. Okay, comparing numbers means put the sign. उसके बाद ये आपने साइंस भी इस तरह से लगाने हैं. These three signs are signs of comparing. Okay. Now we have some numbers like this. 23. Give a little space. Leave one box for the sign. 16, 13, 11, 07, 70, 22 and 22, 3, 12, 16, 24, 13, 18, 19, 12. Write the numbers in your notebooks. Write one number, then leave one box and again the second number. Okay. 23 and 16. Which number is greater? 23 and 16. कौन सा नंबर पहले आता है जब हम काउंटिंग बोलते हैं? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 बाद में आएगा, 16 पहले. So which number comes first? That is smaller number, and which number comes after or last? That is greater number. Okay. So 23 is greater than 16. 16 smaller number है, 23 greater number. So we will put the sign like this. Open side greater number and this closed side smaller number. The next numbers are 13 and 11. 11 and 13. Okay, which number comes first, 11 or 13? Yes, when we will speak the counting, 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. 11 comes first, so 11 is smaller number. The second thing, ones, tens. To find out the smaller and greater number is we will see the number which is written on टेंस साइड. टेंस की साइड में जो डिजिट लिखा हुआ है हम उसको देखेंगे. टेंस की साइड में देखिए 1 and 1 दोनों साइड क्या है 1. सेम मीन्स दीज आर इक्वल. सो वी विल सी द डिजिट विच इज प्लेस्ड ऑन वन साइड. जो डिजिट वंस वाली साइड में है हम उसको भी देखेंगे. अब 3 and 1. सो विच इज स्मॉलर नंबर फ्रॉम 3 and 1. 3 और 1 में से लेस कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है जो हमें लेस ऑब्जेक्ट शो करता है. इफ यू हैव 1 कैंडी एंड इन अनदर हैंड यू हैव 3 कैंडीज. हियर आई हैव 1 एंड इन दिस हैंड वी हैव 3. सो विच आर मोर एंड विच आर लेस. 3 आर मोर देन 1. यस 1 नंबर जो है वो लेस है एंड 3 आर more. So 3 is greater number and 1 is smaller number. So here 1 3 13 is greater number and 1 1 11 is smaller number. Here we have two numbers 0 7 and 7 0. If 0 comes first बिफोर द डिजिट, अगर 0 जो है वो डिजिट से पहले आती है, इट कम्स बिफोर द डिजिट, देन इट इज नथिंग. मीन्स दिस इज ओनली 7. एंड इफ 0 इज आफ्टर द डिजिट देन इट हैव सम वैल्यू. मीन्स दिस इज नाउ 7 0 70. अगर 0 किसी डिजिट से पहले हम राइट करते हैं तो उसकी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं होती. This is 0. 0 7 means only 7. Okay. So 7 and 70 में से greater number कौन सा है? Ma'am has told you that, remember, 1 digit number is always smaller than 2 digit number. Here we have 7 and 70. 7 is 1 digit number, only 1 digit है. And 70 is 2 digit number. So 7 is smaller than 70. 7 क्या है? Smaller है. हम ये वाला साइन लगाएंगे closed side 7 की साइड. Okay. 2 2 22. Again 2 2 22. The both numbers are same. दोनों नंबर same है. So these are equal. We will put the sign of equal like this. Doing? Are you all doing in the notebooks? Good. The next is 3 and 1 to 12. Again here we have only 1 digit number and this is 2 digit number. So means 3 is smaller than 12. So we will put the sign like this. Done? Understanding? समझ आ रहा है सबको? Good. 1 6 16 and 2 4 24. Both numbers are 2 digits number. तो हमने कौन सी साइड देखना है? पहले टेंस प्लेस की डिजिट्स को हम कंपेयर करेंगे. ओके. तो हम पहले यहाँ लिखेंगे वंस tens, ones, tens. So here we have 1 and 2 on tens side. tens की साइड में हमारे पास 1 and 2 दो नंबर्स हैं. हम इनको कंपेयर करेंगे. 1 और 2 में से कौन सा स्मॉलर नंबर है और कौन सा ग्रेटर. ग्रेटर मीन्स बड़ा एंड स्मॉलर मीन्स छोटा नंबर. सो विच इज ग्रेटर? नंबर 2. Very good. So 24 is greater and 16 is smaller number. Put the sign. Done? Good. 1 3 13 and 1 8 18. Again we will see the digit which is placed on tens side. tens की साइड में जो डिजिट है वो दोनों सेम है. अगर दोनों सेम है तो हम वंस वाली साइड के नंबर्स को देखेंगे. देखिए 3 and 8. Okay, which is smaller from 3 and 8? 3 small number है या 8? 3 and 8. Very good. 8 is greater number and 3 is smaller number. Next is 1, 9, 19 and 1, 2, 12. Again we have same numbers on the side of tens. Now we will check these two digits which are placed on one side. Ones की side में जो digits हैं हम उनको check करेंगे. 9 and 2. Okay, if someone have 2 candies and another one have 9 candies. So who have more, 2 or 9? Yes, very good. 9 is more than 2. So 19 is greater number and 12 is smaller number. Done? Do it in your notebooks quickly. Hurry up. Put the signs. Done? Very good. Now we will do ascending orders. क्या करेंगे हम? Ascending orders. So open your next page. Write ascending orders. A S C E N D I N G. Ascending order. O R D E R. Order. Ascending order. Write this first sum in your notebooks. 14, 3, 9 and 8. You have to write 2-digit number also in one box. 2-digit number को भी आप one box में write करेंगे. 14, then leave one box. 3, then again leave one box. 9, one box, then 8. Okay? Done? Okay, from these all 4 numbers, which is smaller number? Ascending order means to arrange numbers from smaller to greater. पहले हम smallest number write करेंगे and in last we have to write greatest number. To arrange numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. So which is the smallest number? 14, 3, 9 and 8. Okay, 2-digit number is always greater than 1 digit. So we have these 3 1-digit numbers and only one is 2 digits. So this is greatest from these all. Yes? Understand? मैम ने आपको बताया था ना कि 2-digit नंबर जो है वो 1-digit नंबर से हमेशा बड़ा होता है. सो वी हैव दीज 4 नंबर्स ओनली. हमारे पास 4 नंबर्स हैं जिनमें से 14 2-digit नंबर है एंड अदर्स आर ओनली 1-digit नंबर. सो 14 इज ग्रेटेस्ट. 14 सबसे बड़ा नंबर है. सो वी विल राइट हियर अंडर 8. 8 के नीचे वाले बॉक्स में हम 14 राइट करेंगे बिकॉज दिस इज ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. एंड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स आर to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. लास्ट में हमने कौन सा नंबर राइट करना होता है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स में? ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. सो वी हैव रिटन 14 here. Now we have three numbers, 3, 9 and 8. Okay, when we will speak the counting, which number comes first, that is smallest, which will come next, that is middle, and the next is greatest. Okay, which number comes near 0 is smallest number. जो 0 के बिल्कुल पास आएगा इनमें से, that is smallest number. So speak the counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. कहाँ तक काउंट करना है हमने? 9 तक. Okay. From these numbers, 9 comes in the last. So this is greatest number. Before 9, here is 8. So this is also greater from 3. 3 is smallest number. So we will write 3 here, 8 and 9. 3, 8, 9, 14. This is called ascending orders. Done? Write it quickly in your notebooks. 3, 8, 9, 1, 4, 14. Okay, the next sum is here. 6, 19, 9 and 12. 6, 19, 9 and 12. Okay, here we have two numbers with one digit only and two numbers with two digits. So first of all we will see these both 6 and 9. Which is smaller number and which is greater from 6 and 9? 6 is showing less objects and 9 is showing more objects. Yes, 9 have more objects, na? So 9 is greater than 6. First of all we will write 6 here. Write 6 under 6 again. And then we will write 9. Now we have two numbers, 19 and 12. So here we have 9 and 2. Two numbers, 9 and 2. Which is greater? 9 and 2 is smaller number. So 12 is smaller. 19 is greatest from these all. 6, 9, 12, 19. We have done this again. This is called ascending order. Good. Okay, next here we have again 4 digits. 18, 4, 0, 13. So which is smallest number? 0 means nothing. 0 की value क्या होती है? Nothing. 0 means nothing. So 0 is the smallest number. Again we have 2 digit numbers here and only one number, that is 1 digit number. So 4 is smallest. Again now 18 and 3. We have two numbers now, 18 and 13. Here both are 1 equal. So we will compare 8 and 3. Which is greater and which is smaller from 8 and 3? कौन सा number smaller है? 13. Very good. 13 will comes here and 18 in the last. Done? Check it again. 0, 4, 13, 18. Done? Very good. Now we will do descending orders. Okay, write descending orders in your notebooks. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. O-R-D-E-R. Order. Do the next first sum of descending order is 14, 12, 7, 18. Okay, what are the descending orders? You know? Yes? सबको पता है ना? किए हुए ना descending orders? Okay, what does the descending order means? Descending orders are to arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. First of all, we have to write here the greatest number from these all. इन 4 numbers में से जो greatest number है वो हमने सबसे पहले write करना है. So we have numbers 14, 12, 7 and 18. 7 is one digit number, so this is smallest number. 14, 12 and 18. We will compare 4, 2 and 8. Okay, which number comes near the 0? If we have a number line here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have a number line and we have these 3 numbers 4, 2 and 8. We have to compare these 3 numbers 4, 2 and 8. So we will circle these numbers 2, 4 and 8. These 3 numbers we have and we have circled that numbers. Which number comes near the 0 is 2. So 2 is smaller, 4 and then 8. 8 is greatest number. So which is greatest number? That is far from 0. जो 0 से दूर है, that number is greatest number. So here 18 is greatest number. We will write 18 here. Then we will write 14, 12 and 7. 7 is one digit number. That's why 7 is smallest number. Write 18. Yes. 14, 12 and 7. The next is 6, 0, 19, 12. So which is greatest number? We will not see these 2 numbers because these are only one digit numbers and these are smaller numbers. So we will compare these 2 first. इन 2 numbers को हम पहले compare करेंगे. 9 and 2. 9 is greatest and 12 is smaller than 19. So here we have 19 is greatest number. So we will write firstly 19. Then 12. Now we have 2 numbers with one digit, 6 and 2. So 6 and 0. So 0 means nothing. So 0 is the smallest number and we will write the 0 in the last and 6 here. Okay, match these numbers 19, 12, 6, 0. And the next is 15, 12, 1, 18. So which is greatest number from these 4? 1 is smallest number because this is only one digit number we have. So we will write 1 in the last. Now we have 3 numbers 15, 12 and 18. We will compare this number that is placed on one side. 5, 2 and 8. 8 is greatest from 2 and 5. So we will write 18 first. 5 and 2. Which number is showing less object and which is showing more? 5 and 2. Which is showing less? 2 and this is more. So this is greatest number from these 2. This is 15 is greater from 12 because this is showing more object. So we will write 15 here and 12 on this side. Done? Match it again. 18, 15, 12 and 1. Done? Very good. My dear students, I hope you all understand the topic of comparing numbers, ascending order and descending order. So now enjoy the day. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye. Take care.